You feel it, don't you? That nagging, quiet voice telling you something's off. It's not loud, it's not dramatic, but it's there. And I'm about to reveal why you're not imagining it. She's cheating, and worst of all, she doesn't care. I'm going to show you the 5 clues you've missed. Stick with me because you won't want to miss this. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. Trust me, you'll want to be here for what's coming next. And hey, drop a comment. What city are you watching from? Clue 1. She's emotionally checked out. You can feel it, can't you? That subtle shift in the air when she's around. It's like a wall between you that wasn't there before. She's physically present, sure, but her energy, it's somewhere else. She used to light up when you walked in the door, right? The smile, the warmth in her eyes, those little gestures that made you feel like you were her world. But now she barely looks up from her phone, or if she does, it's just a fleeting glance. You ask her how her day was, and she responds with a cold, "Fine, nothing's wrong, but you know better." Here's the truth. Emotional cheating is the real start of it all. When a woman's heart starts to drift, it's not always about the physical acts. It's about the emotional detachment. She starts confiding in someone else, sharing the little things, her dreams, her frustrations, the thoughts she used to save for you. And when you catch her laughing at a text from a guy you don't know, don't kid yourself. It's not just a friend. She's giving him the parts of herself she used to give to you. Her connection with him is growing, and with each message, she's building something with him that you no longer have. But here's the kicker. She might still claim it's nothing. Just a friend, she'll say, but you know it's not. And when that happens, when the emotional connection is gone, the next clue will hit harder. You won't even see it coming. Stay with me. Clue 2. Secretive behavior. The phone and privacy games. Have you noticed how her phone has become a fortress? It's like it has its own personality now. Used to, she didn't mind leaving it on the table, face up, buzzing away. Now it's glued to her hand, always face down, never making a sound, and every time you ask who's texting her, the answer is always the same: just work. But something in her voice tells you it's not the truth. You've caught her sneaking off to the bathroom for 20 minutes, and when she comes out, she's flushed, like she's just run a marathon. You ask her about it, and what does she do? Shrug it off, get defensive, and turn the tables on you. You're being paranoid, she says. You don't trust me. Here's the thing. If she's hiding things, it's not about privacy anymore. It's about secrecy. A loyal partner doesn't need to lock up their phone or create a new world you can't access. If she's truly committed to you, her life is an open book. But if she's playing these games, there's something or someone she doesn't want you to see. She might claim it's no big deal, but actions always speak louder than words. The next time you find yourself questioning the change in her behavior, take a closer look. Watch how she shields her phone like a prized possession, and don't be fooled by her excuses. But this isn't even the worst of it. The next clue, it's far more subtle, but it will hit you where it hurts. Hold tight, this is just the beginning. Clue 3, sudden unavailability. The vanishing act. You've started to notice it, haven't you? She's always busy, always tied up with something else. You ask her to hang out, and suddenly she's got plans. But when you press for details, it's always vague. Oh, just a quick thing, or I'll be home late, don't wait up. But something feels off. This wasn't how it used to be. She used to be available. Now she's always disappearing into thin air at the strangest times. Let's be honest here. If you can't reach her when you need to, and she doesn't offer a real explanation for her absence, it's a red flag. Maybe she says she's been working late, but you've noticed a pattern. How convenient that these late nights always happen when you're supposed to see her, or when you're expecting quality time together. Funny how those late shifts always occur on weekends or after dinner, when she should be winding down with you. You've even tried calling, only to get her voicemail or worse, no answer at all. It's not just the physical absence. You know, something's changing when she's not mentally present either. You reach out trying to connect, but it's like pulling teeth. She's distracted, distant. Maybe she's not even looking at you when you talk. The most painful part, you start questioning yourself. Am I just overreacting? But you're not. The worst part is coming. The next clue isn't just about her being physically absent. No, it's about how she's filling that empty space in ways you don't even realize yet. Hold on, this is about to get even more intense. Clue 4, sudden affection for someone else. There's a shift happening and you're starting to feel it. She's talking about someone else more and more. Someone who wasn't part of your world before. You hear his name more than you should. At first, it seems innocent enough. She mentions this friend casually. Oh, Jack and I grabbed lunch, or I was hanging out with him the other night. But then the stories pile up. He's always popping up, always taking up more of her time. And when you ask about him, she acts defensive, like you're the crazy one for questioning it. He's just a friend, she says, but you can feel the tension, the something she's not telling you. It's not just the constant mentions, it's the way she talks about him. Different from how she talks about you, the excitement in her voice. The way her eyes light up when she shares the latest funny thing he said. And here's the kicker. She starts protecting this friendship, even defending it when you're uncomfortable. You're being insecure, she'll say. I've known him forever. You used to be her confidant, the one she'd turn to for everything. Now it's him. She tells him things she used to tell you. She spends hours texting him, laughing, sharing moments that should belong to the two of you. And here's where it gets even worse. When you confront her, she'll make you feel guilty. She'll twist the situation to make you feel like you're the one in the wrong. But don't ignore what's happening here, because the next clue is even harder to face. You're about to uncover something you really don't want to know. Stick with me. Clue 5, coldness. The silent treatment. It's a chilling realization when it hits you. The warmth you once had with her is gone. Not just physically, but emotionally. She's no longer fighting with you. But that's not a good sign. It's worse. She stopped caring altogether. No more late night talks, no more playful teasing, no more warmth in her voice. You try to reach out, but she pulls away. The hugs are shorter, the kisses, they feel empty. And the worst part, she's silent. It's like living with a stranger. You could pour your heart out and she wouldn't even flinch. You've noticed it, her indifference is suffocating. It's not anger, it's not arguments, it's worse. It's nothing. She's emotionally checked out. And you're just stuck trying to fix what's already broken. At first you tried to fight for it. You asked her about it. You begged for a conversation, for some explanation. But you get nothing in return. No effort, no answers, just a cold wall. You've stopped arguing because it's like talking to air. And every time you try to reconnect, she looks at you like you're a stranger, asking for something you'll never get. This, my friend, is the painful part. She's no longer invested in you. And it's not even about a specific fight or issue, it's about someone else. She's emotionally tied to someone else, and you're just waiting for the moment she finally admits it. The truth hurts, but the sooner you face it, the sooner you can take back your power. Because you deserve more than someone who's already checked out. See you in the next video.